Guys, welcome back, and today we're back to work on the Golf. Hopefully it's actually running by the end of today, so let's crack on. So after nearly 3 weeks of waiting, the pipe has finally come in, which means I can replace this cut pipe and actually fill it with coolant and start the engine and have it running for a little while. So that's going to be going on very soon. But first I've got some fiddly bits to do. The first of the fiddly things was going to be the windscreen washers. Being that this is a winter pack, it came with heated windscreen washers, which include this plug here, which is fine. I've got the original pipe running up through the new bonnet, and I just need to connect it in. However, there should be an elbow piece that runs from here into the back of the washer, which I don't have with me, and I'm assuming I've left it elsewhere. On top of that, I only have one of them, so I must have left the other one with the elbow. So I'm gonna have to dig them out of wherever I left them. For the time being, I do have these ones which came with the bonnet. They're not heated, but I need windscreen washers. Because even though the weather's picking up, it's still getting gritted almost every night at the moment, so the salt spray out the windscreen is mad. Which meant that I moved on to this. Now this is the new washer jet that I ordered. It finally came, and I've cut the hole out for the new cap and everything's fitted. I can't test it yet, but I will be checking that later in the video. But that brings me on to another problem I found with the cap that I found in the door of this car, thinking that this would fit, is missing all the back piece that actually connects it to the washer jet. So I figured instead of just doing one side and then leaving this side alone, I figured I'm going to cut this hole out to the side so the washer jet can fit through, and then I'll have to order a new cap, and then I'll have to finesse it out a little bit with the Dremel to get it to fit properly. I don't even think this is the right cap for this side. I think that's the cap for that side. So I've double messed up, but it's all right. I'll order the right one. I'll open this hole out. The washer jet will work. It just won't have a cap on it until I can get the new cap. And finally, I bought a bag of screws, everything that was missing. So hopefully we're getting this car on the road today. We better crack on with it then. Right then, holes in bumper, check. Headlight washers mounted and plumbed in, check. Windscreen washers connected, and I assume they're going to work, check. Now let's get the front bumper on, get the headlight in, and replace that pipe. Alright then, so your front end is on. Grills are in place, all the screws are in place. I need to put the front grille on, but hopefully that's the last time I'm taking this front bumper off. I can't see a reason I'd need to. As far as I'm aware, everything underneath this bumper is good. So I guess there's nothing left to do except to fit this pipe and fill it with coolant and take it for a drive. Right then guys, moment of truth. Old pipe is off. See ya. And the new pipe is on. And I'm full of coolant. And now I trust that this cooling system is not going to leak. What I don't trust is this battery, which has been flat for, well, since I've had this car. And I've had to use a jump start every time. So I'm using the jump starter again. So I'm going to hook this up and fingers crossed it's going to start. Well, so far so good. Fingers crossed. Got no leaks at the moment. It's running up to temperature. I've put the cap back on. It doesn't seem to be dropping the level anymore. I'm going to quickly fit the front grille while I wait for it to come up. And maybe drive time? Let's see. Wait and see. Guys, I've messed up. I've just dropped this grill and chipped the end off it. Gonna try and repair this, but I was so close. I was so close to, you know, no mistakes today. But anyway, we live and learn, all because of that bonnet pin. Let's see what we can do and get this grill on anyway. Right, it seems to be holding temperature well. The only last thing to check is make sure the headlight washers are working. So let me know, broads. Well, I think there might be something wrong with this one. Either that or I could just soak everyone who's parked in front of me.
No, I'm not doing that. No, that's a bad idea. That is a really bad idea. Imagine just someone walking past it up.
And there we have it, guys. The Golf is driving. No coolant leaks. Drive up and down the road, the clutch is nice. There's no weird noises, there's no weird bangs. There is one weird noise though. At full boost, there's a bit of a whistling. So I'm assuming a bit of a boost leak or something. Might be something simple, but I'll have to dive into that. Run out of time today. All I need now is a new cap for this washer jet. I've got the cap for that side, it's just black. It needs to be painted silver, easy peasy. And then just a bit of tidying up here and there. Bit of paintwork, bit of polishing, bit of cleaning, and it'll be good as gold. Oh, and get the new tyre. And then to finish it off, I gave the driveway a quick jet wash just to clean it up. And I also gave the van a quick wash, which now reveals all of the damage that I need to repair before we get further along with that. So that's the end of today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe. I've got loads more coming, loads more work on this, loads more work on my van, and loads more work in the future. So guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.